Omali or umali, the ultimate recipe.
Hi, I'm Pastry Chef Janidu. I'm from Sri Lanka, in the Colombo.
Very nice. And today, with our chef Janidu from Sri Lanka, we will do a beautiful recipe called umali, typically Ramadan, mostly in Iftar, that is the sunset feast. We'll explain the process, the ingredients, some tips about the puff pastry we use, and the final product, of course. And don't forget, of course, to subscribe to this channel and like and comment. Super simple recipe, a short story. Omali is just a bread pudding actually, national dish, dessert in Egypt, and typical dessert celebrating Ramadan, mostly the Iftar, that is the sunset feast. Omali means the mother of Ali. Shajar al-Dur was an influential member of the Mamluk dynasty. But because people disapprove woman ruling, she married Izzaldin Aybak, that became the Sultan. But this gentleman had a first wife that was known as Omali. When Aybak died, of course, the first wife, Umali, blamed Shajar al-Dur. And Umali ordered her servant to kill the lady. Of course. Once the deed was done, Umali ordered to her chef to create a beautiful dessert for the occasion. From there, this beautiful simple dessert, they get her name, Umali. And that's it. Okay, chef, what we need for this amazing dessert, super complicated.
So, today we need puff pastry.
Today no. Never say today, never say today. Okay, chef, what we need for this incredible and amazing and super difficult recipe of Ramadan?
We need puff pastry and milk and sugar and rose water.
That's
That's
it.
it.
500 grams of our beautiful puff pastry, 100 grams of sugar, 1 liter milk, rose water to flavor, 1 cup cream. Of course, our decoration, beautiful almond flakes, some pistachio, typical, raisin, very nice. And if you want some cinnamon. Special ingredient of today, the rose water. Really important in the Middle East or Egyptian cuisine. There is no tomali without that. Actually, from my side, tastes like a perfume, but... For this recipe, we will use our homemade puff pastry. You can use leftover croissant or pastry or palmyre. Some of the recipe they use that. Just 2 steps, not difficult. Before we prepare the puff pastry and after we prepare the mix. And after we bake all together and that's it.
Puff pastry.
Wait. Go.
For the puff pastry, first we cut small cube and we put oven 160 degree 30 minutes.
For this special process, we need that. Yeah. Super beautiful sheet cutter. That's it. Yeah. Coming directly from the oven, ready for our umali. This is our result, our puff pastry from the oven. And why we do that? Yeah? Why? We can use the leftover croissant, but in this case, we are sure all the pieces you got on your romali are nice, crispy, and flaky.
Next, milk and sugar and rose water we need to boil.
We need to boil and combine all together.
Yeah.
That's it. How long?
Need to come
Just
bubbles.
boil.
Boil.
And after that, chef,
We add hot milk for puff pastry and altogether mixed in. After we keep 20-25 minutes for soaking.
the mix. After the puff pastry, the mix of the sugar with the milk and the rose water. We combine the puff pastry with the milk, we let it rest, and you get this. Yeah? This is what you want. Perfectly soaked puff pastry in milk, ready to build our final product. And after the last extremely important step. In a bowl, we put our mix. Yeah?
Yeah, mixer.
The mix of the milk with the puff pastry. Apparently, we pipe with cream.
Yeah, pipe.
Pipe with cream. For the cream, we want this consistency. You see that? Yeah. It's whipped, but what we call is semi-whipped. Not extremely dense, but thick enough to don't fall down. Let's say like that. Our cream, you put it in the piping bag. Ready. Go ahead. When you have this, time for the oven. How long?
Yeah. 10 minutes.
What the minute?
160 degree, 10 minutes.
160 degree, 10 minutes. And make it nice. And after the oven, that is what we got. Look at that. Crispy, caramelized puff pastry with the cream melted. Beautiful. Now it's time to decorate this beauty. Okay, chef, go ahead. Some almonds, some pistachio, and raisin. And that's it. And that's the one. And time to test this amazing dessert. Don't tell me why it's warm in the desert, but it's like the tea in the desert for the Moroccan people. Welcome to Ramadan. It's starting soon. We test this beauty. Look at that. Unbelievable. Thank you, chef. Hey, this I burned myself. Yeah. Very nice. Nuts, raisin, and pistachio that give you this crunchy effect. Unbelievable. Look at that. Omali, or umali, the ultimate recipe.
दुबई वाला हलो सऊदी वाला हलो.
And that's it.
Wait, okay.
And that's it.
More close.
And that's it.
And that's it.